is a story of a homeowner whose heating and air conditioning reached the end of its life. For most systems, end of life can be anywhere from 12 to 16 years, but with some intermediate repairs, this system's life was extended to 21 years. In the fall of 2018, when the homeowners came home from a long trip, there was no air conditioning on the first floor of the house. Interstate AC Service came out and added refrigerant to the system, which appeared to solve the problem. However, a week later, the refrigerant had leaked out and it became clear that something more would need to be done. Interstate AC's system expert Tommy Gentry discussed options with the homeowners. The electric blower controls had been replaced 2 times in the last 10 years. The existing HVAC unit was sitting on the basement floor, which made it subject to flooding, so the unit needed to be raised off the floor.
You see that notch right there? That little notch?
Yeah.
This thing should be cut from here to here.
Yeah.
From here to here. That should be square cut open. This is all return area right here.
Okay.
What I like to do is come in and cut this area out so I can pull more air back to your unit. The more return, the more humidity, the more stuff I can remove out of your house. To the bottom of your duct, we got 77 inches. So let's go 77 inches. I can get you a furnace that's 30, 34, we're going to say 36 inches. So we'll go minus 36 equals 23, so that's giving me 23 inches for a coil. Well, we're just a little bit over on this, but I'm going back with a 3.5 ton.
Okay.
Because I can adjust. The good thing about that other unit, I can adjust my tonnage on it.
Sure.
So, and it's variable speed and everything, so it'll be good for you. Just take and get me 2 return boxes, bring me a box out to here, bring it out to there, and just open this up.
Yeah.
Put a 14 in here.
Okay.
Yeah, I know what I'll do there.
You're going to leave this pipe.
Yeah, I'm going to use this pipe right here. Ain't nothing wrong with
Yeah,
it.
you're going to use it, right.
Oh, yeah. We're saving money already, Bob.
Good. You can reuse the pad then.
Yeah, I'm going to reuse that pad. The new Freon is 410A.
Mm-hmm.
And it's supposed to be a lot more friendlier with the ozone. So, but yes, sir, I'd go ahead and, due to the age of the system, I would go ahead and do it all at one time.
Tommy drew up a reasonable estimate, and the homeowner decided to proceed with the replacement. Tommy provided drawings for the installers and made a list of parts that would be required. 3 days later, the truck arrived, and work with a 2-man crew had begun. Step 1. The gas was turned off. Then the refrigerant was drained from the existing unit so it could be recycled. Next, the exhaust was disconnected from the existing unit, and the old unit was removed and recycled. Then the area was made ready for the new furnace. Step 2. A platform to go under the unit was put in place. Then the blower, coils, and furnace were brought in and were put together. Lines from the outside unit were brought inside and attached to the new unit. Step 3. After a short break, Tommy brought in a load of parts, inspected the job, and helped to rebuild the new unit's furnace exhaust. Step 4. They tackled the outdoor unit. They cut the wiring and copper pipes to free the old unit so it could be removed and taken to the recycler. The pad was prepared and the new unit was unpacked and put into position. Step 5. Wiring and copper pipes were now fitted to the new outdoor unit. Air was evacuated from the pipes and coils, and the new unit was filled with the new, more eco-friendly 410A refrigerant. Step 6. The entire unit, both heating and cooling, was tested. Finally, the unit was buttoned up and connected to a new condensate pump. The new unit has a variable speed motor, which makes a huge difference in reducing the noise coming from the unit. The homeowner was impressed with the quality of the work and the care that Interstate AC Service took at each step of the way. We now have another very happy homeowner. If you're pondering a system replacement, let the folks at Interstate AC Service help. If you live in the Nashville and surrounding area, give us a call at 615-832-8500. We're here for you.